Let's start with question number 6, dear students. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables. Students, now let us first convert this statement into an equation. They are talking about work done, and you read about work done in your physics. What is the formula for work done? Work done is equal to force into distance. So, to convert this question statement into equation, we will use this formula. Now, in the question, it is given that work done by the body of an application of a constant force is directly proportional to work done is directly proportional to the distance. So we will write it in this form. Work done, W denotes for work done, is directly proportional to distance. And now in science and physics you read that to replace this proportionality sign into the equality sign, we must put some constant. So in this formula, work done and distance both are mentioned to us, but force is not given to us. For the force, they have given that by taking the constant force as 5 units, that we are going to take the constant as 5, because force in the question, force is given as 5 units. So what does this equation becomes? W work done, proportionality sign is converted into equality. Then when we change it in equality, we must put some constant, that we will take this force as 5 units as constant into distance. So in this way you will get an equation. Now let us assume the variables for work done and distance. Let the work done by the body, is equal to x units, because units are not mentioned, otherwise units for work done is joules, but because in this question units are not there, we will write them as units. And distance is equal to y, and let the distance is denoted by y units. So our equation becomes, according to the question, our equation becomes W means x is equal to constant force 5 units into distance y. So in this way, dear students, you will get the equation for this question. Now what they have told us to do, express this in the form of equation. So we have converted it into equation in two variables and draw the graph for the same. Now let us draw the graph for this. For the graph, I told you earlier, minimum, we will find out minimum 4 coordinates. So let us assume the first one. Now y is in combination with any constant. We will start taking it with y. Let us take y is equal to 0. When y is 0, x will become 5 into 0. So x, you will get a 0. So when y is 0, x is also 0. Now second, let us take y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So when y is 1, x is 5. Now let us take the third value. Y is equal to 2. You can take -1 also. So x is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. So when y is 2, x is 10. Let us take y is equal to -1. So what do we get? X is equal to 5 into -1. For minus, I am putting the bracket, is equal to -5. So when y is -1, x is -5. So dear students, in this way you will get the coordinates for this equation. Now let us draw the graph for this question. This horizontal axis is x-axis and vertical axis is y-axis. So we will mark it as y dash. So on right hand side we will take positive numbers, left hand side negative. 1. So maximum value for x is 10, so we have to take 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On graph paper, you have to draw this graph on graph paper. On that you will be able to mark the points at equal distance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now let us start marking the points. When x is 0, y is also 0. So both the coordinates are 0. That means we have to mark it on the origin. कहाँ पर mark कर देंगे? We have to mark it on origin. Now in second case, x is 5, y is 1. So here x positive 5 and y is 1, y 1. So we will mark it here by moving perpendicular to this. Next, x is 10, y is 2. Here x 10 and y 2 is here. So approximately you will mark it here. On the graph paper you will get the exact points. When x is -5, y is -1. Here x -5, -1. So we will mark it here. So now dear students, use the scale to join these points. तो इन्हें हम join कर देंगे and you will definitely get a straight line which passes through this. I am drawing it randomly, but you have to use the scale because this is the equation of a line. So dear students, I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move on to the parts of this question. They are asking that also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. Now see students, x is taken as work done. So this axis is for work done, this axis is for work done, and this is for distance. When the distance traveled by the body is 2 units, here is distance y. When it is 2 units, what is the work done? It is 10 units. So for this, answer is 10 units. When the distance is 2 units, then the work done is 10 units. Now let us see the second part. Let us check second part. 0 unit. When the distance traveled by the body is 0. Here is distance, it is 0. Then that means the work done is also 0. Distance is 0 units. Then work done is also 0 units. You can see from our table also. When the distance is 2 units, the work done is 10 units. When the distance is 0 units, the work done is 0 units. So here is question number 6.